Hey, Made by Nacho here at Global Pet Expo 2023. So excited to announce that we won second place in the Best in Show in the cat category because of the wonderful assortment of product that Made by Nacho makes to make sure that cats get everything they need for full and nourished lives. Nacho's signature ingredient is bone broth. He puts it in every one of his recipes so that your cat can get the hydration, the protein, and the flavor that they need. And you can find Made by Nacho in PetSmart, Petco, on Chewy.com, on madebynacho.com, as well as Amazon, and now at your local independent pet retailer.